Screen flickering on your Android phone? Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 3 simple fixes to stop it instantly. Let's go. Fix 1. Turn off adaptive brightness. Many phones flicker because brightness keeps auto-adjusting. Go to Settings, Display, Adaptive Brightness. Off. Now manually set brightness to 50 to 60%. If screen stabilizes, boom, problem solved. Fix 2. Change refresh rate. High refresh rate can cause flickering sometimes. Go to Settings, Display, Motion Refresh Rate. Set to 60 Hz. Don't worry, performance stays smooth, but flicker disappears. Fix 3. Safe Mode, Test. Sometimes a third-party app causes screen glitch. Hold power button. Long press Restart. Boot in safe mode. If flickering stops in safe mode, uninstall recently installed apps. Bonus tip. If your phone recently fell or got water, flicker may be hardware damage. Visit a repair shop for display flex or IC check. And that's it. Your screen should be smooth now. Checkmark. If this helped, like and subscribe for more mobile fixes. Comment below your phone model. I'll help personally.